We've all had a French Martini before, but today I'm going to show you that just by adding and changing a few extra ingredients, we can totally change it. This is the Smoked Kermit Cocktail. Okay guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do a twist on the French Martini. Really simple cocktail, Chambord, pineapple juice and vodka. I wanted to though turn it into a little bit more complex of a cocktail, and this is sort of, I guess, a twist between a French Martini and a whiskey sour. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use is a peated whiskey, and one of my favorite whiskey is Glendronach. People are going to say, oh George, why are you using like Glendronach in a cocktail? Yes, normally I would drink this neat or with maybe just like a big block of ice, but it works really well in cocktails too, guys. And you know, the better the ingredient that you put into the cocktail, the better tasting cocktail that it'll be. 45 mils of Glendronach peated, that's 1.5 ounces. Then 15 mils of Chambord. It is like a blackberry raspberry liqueur. This is where our French element comes in. You know, the frog, French, Kermit, the smoke from the peated, you sort of get where I'm coming from. As you can tell, I'm really shit at naming cocktails. Then that other element of the French Martini, we're going to do 45 mils of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. And then just to season that cocktail, and when I say seasoning, I always say that by adding bitters to a cocktail is like adding salt and pepper to a meal. I'm going to add about 3 to 4 smaller dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Add some ice. Give it a good shake. Going to double strain that into a chilled martini or cocktail glass. And for my garnish, I'm going to use just a little twist of lemon. As you know, I like simple, easy garnishes. That is a Smoked Kermit. Looks just like a French Martini. Totally changed the cocktail in a better way, I think. I feel that having the single malt whiskey adds a bit more complexity to the drink. Not that I don't like vodka, however, it's more a neutral style of type of flavour. This is really sort of I'm still getting that Chambord first up. Okay, even 15 mils, it is so strong in a good way that it's leaving this beautiful sort of sweet finish on the back of my palate. That peated is coming through as well, being Glendronach, that it's got some of that sherry cask influence. It works really well with this cocktail. The bitters, absolutely needed the bitters in this cocktail as well. What I love about this drink is it's something that I think and not being sexist, but a man would drink as well. We find that a lot of customers, and this is where this idea came from. I had a customer come up to me and he said, I'd like you to make me a cocktail, please. I kind of do like a French Martini, however I want it something a little bit different, maybe a different type of spirit, but I want it in a man glass. I made this cocktail, I put it into a rocks glass over ice, and as I was about to send it out to him, I thought, you know what, F it, like, what is this whole man glass bullshit? Do not be scared, guys, to drink out of an elegant, beautiful cocktail glass. People have been doing this for like over 100 years. Man glass, seriously? Is that kind of like pretentiousness as a customer now? Embrace it. There is nothing sexier than James Bond drinking out of a martini glass. Ask a lot of women, you know. Don't be scared to drink a drink if you enjoy it. Stop worrying about what you look like drinking it, okay? That's having my little sort of, you know, bitch about some things that we get behind the bar. But I'm really happy with this drink. Give it a try. Please like, subscribe. Hello to all my friends out at Brown-Forman. They haven't sponsored this cocktail. I've got 2 of their spirits or their products in this cocktail, but definitely worth trying, guys. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.